Hey guys, I'm Jim with Colton RV and Marine. We are cruising into the weekend this Friday afternoon with our favorite segment, the boat of the week. This week we have a 2024 Barletta 24UE, our most functional boat if you like to entertain and do water sports. The boat is very pretty with the color scheme it has being black and silver. We have this boat paired on a triaxle venture trailer. And then stepping back to the back, before we guys take you into the interior to show you how cool this boat is, we wanted to show you the extended deck of this boat. So you guys are hanging out, swimming with your kids. You have a lot of access to jump off, ride. The rail keepers is a nice system so you can lounge in the back of the boat while your riders are out. Coming to this big monster, it is paired with a Mercury 250 V8. This boat is going to cruise into the 40s, give you enough power to get up and down the river or the lake you're at. So if you guys like this boat, join us inside and we'll show you how cool this layout is. So moving on to the interior of this Barletta 24UE, you can see the rear of the boat is set up just like any other Barletta with the UC series. You still get the rear lounger and you can still sit and watch your riders as you're riding. You can also lounge into the boat. It is also a full bed as well. And then on the front seats, to give you the full lounger, these two front seats flip up so you can lounge out into the boat as well. We have a ski tow bar. Again, you guys can see the rail system inside the boat. You do need this to ride, so any model you guys are looking at, Barletta does a good job that encloses the back so your riders can sit here safely and you don't get that ticket from the boat police. Moving forward into the mid portion of the pontoon boat, this is the greatest pontoon that you guys can get, enabling you to entertain your friends, bring kids along. It's a dual function boat. You can kind of see the height of the pedestals are a great height to enjoy your lunch or enjoy on the other side the bench seat that flips. So it's obviously a bench for the table. We flip it this way. It's a love seat for a couple to ride along with you to enjoy your night cruises. Moving on to the helm. The helm on the Cabrio line is set up to a T. You have an elevated helm that gets you a little bit higher than your front rider so you can see over there, get you a nice safe line of sight. All the Cabrios have tilt wheel. We incorporate ours with a Simrad chart plotter and fish finder. And then obviously the Hertz stereo is a great stereo for Barletta. What we also like in the bow of this boat you can get a bow filler seat with Barletta that encloses the front to give you a little bit more of arena seating, full bench seating. This seat does slide out in place. You can move it around in your boat, but it does add a couple more seats for when the weekends you have a full boat load with you. But you can see, you can kind of sit in the corners of the boats, enjoy the entire thing. And then on our loungers in the front, you can see we have the armrest to make for a comfortable ride when your riders are out enjoying a ride with you with not a lot of people on the boat. You guys can see the silver tabs on our floor. This boat is incorporated with RGB lights, so we can sit here on the controller, which is right here. And with the turn of this knob, we can change the colors, put it into a speed dial, and enjoy the colors as we're going up and down the canal. So if this is the layout for you, the Barletta 24UE, feel free to give me a call. My number is 716-694-0188, extension 425. And if you guys are also looking for an RV, I can set you up with one of my colleagues, but I can guarantee you, either if it's an RV or a boat, here at Colton RV, you will have the best experience and the most fun. Thanks guys, and enjoy your weekend.